Thank you for visiting my new listing at 4955 Lake Breeze Lane, located in the Waterside subdivision in Maumee, Ohio. This home features maintenance-free living on the outside with a brick front, vinyl siding on the sides and rear, vinyl windows, and a vinyl composite deck. As you enter our villa, you'll notice we have a very spacious foyer with wood floors that lead to the great room, with a tray ceiling, an oil rubbed bronze ceiling fan, and a full glass door leading to the vinyl composite deck. In the kitchen, you'll find plenty of storage in the oak cabinets that features Corian countertops with an integrated sink, ceramic tile floors that will lead you to the main floor laundry. The primary suite is 15 by 13 with a ceiling fan and looks out over the private backyard. Off the primary suite is a full bath, double vanity sinks, a walk-in closet, and walk-in shower. Immediately off the second bedroom is a full bath. The second bedroom on the main floor is 12 by 10 and also features a ceiling fan. In the Waterside subdivision, you'll find a private clubhouse with a workout area, a great room, a library, a swimming pool, and tennis courts. Thank you for viewing this home. If you would like to see this home or any other home, please reach out to me at 419-367-2667 or direct message me on social media.